How to get military discount on Expedia. Ensure you are eligible for the discount. Active duty military, veterans, retirees, National Guard, reservists, and their dependents can qualify. Gather the necessary identification to verify your military status. Acceptable proofs include military ID card, DD Form 200, 215, State Veterans ID card, or driver's license with veterans designation, DD Form 1173, and DD Form 2 for dependents. Go to Expedia's dedicated military discount page. You might need to sign in or create an Expedia rewards account. Expedia uses Sheer ID for verification. Follow the instructions to provide your proof of service and complete the verification process. Once verified, search for and book flights, hotels, or other travel services through Expedia. Look for military discount rates or promotions that may be applied automatically. Review available offers and discounts, including potential complimentary upgrades and bonus points. Finalize your booking, ensuring that the military discount has been applied. Thanks for watching the video.